Select a semi-hardwood branch from the last year's growth, which means it is not too soft or too hard. The branch should be free from diseases. Cut the branch into 4 to 6 inch long cuttings. Remove all the leaves, or you may leave a few top leaves. Lightly scrap the cutting at its bottom. The cuttings should have at least one node at the cut end where roots will grow. The next step is to plant the cuttings. For this, take a small pot having many drainage holes to drain extra water. Fill the pot with the rooting medium. Mix river sand or perlite in garden soil in equal amount and fill in the pot. Water the pot and place it in shade for half an hour to drain excess water. Before planting the cuttings, you may apply some rooting hormone at the cut end of the cuttings to encourage root growth. However, this step is not essential. You can use a chemical hormone. But I use aloe vera gel, which is a natural rooting hormone. Rub aloe vera leaf on the cutting or insert the cutting in a small aloe vera piece, make a hole in soil and insert the cutting and press the soil around it. Plant more than one cutting in the same pot. Do not water again. Enclose the pot in a polythene bag to maintain high humidity around the cuttings. Place the bag in shade at a warm place. Open the bag every 10 days and look for new leaf growth. Add a few drops of water in soil, if dry. Close the bag again. After 3 weeks, new leaves have grown. Some roots are coming out of the hole of the pot. Expose the cuttings to morning sun for 1 week. After that, you can shift the pot in full sun or transplant in ground in a sunny spot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.